Honorable Mr. Justice R.C. Chopra, Justice Chandrasekhar, Justice Yogesh Khanna, Justice Rajneesh Bhatnagar ji, our Honorable Chairman Mr. Surya Prakash Khatri, Ramesh Singhal ji, P.K. Jain ji, and all distinguished guests, Mr. Dhan Mohan, Member Executive Delhi High Court Bar Association. Sir, I was more curious to speak in your presence with the reason that when this PLA was initiated, started, so I was a witness, and at the time of inauguration of this PLA, I was a witness to inauguration. So I have seen and I have experienced the evolution of this PLA, and every year I had been asking and taking all informations from Mr. Pahuja that how it is going, and whenever he asked me to contribute in any manner, I had always been available for him. The reason, sir, you all are aware about it, that he was also a part of our legal system and he has worked hard. He really worked hard, and this PLA is a result of hard work of Mr. Ravinder Pahuja. Now I am very happy to see that his sons, they have also taken interest and they are also doing well. So we should give a big hand for Mr. Ravinder Pahuja. Like my chairman, Mr. Surya Prakash Khatri, stated that he is from this constituency, so I should also disclose that I am also from the same constituency. And I had been nourished, sir, in this area only. I was staying here firstly in Nehru Vihar, then shifted to Mukherjee Nagar, now shifted to Defense Colony in your neighborhood. So this is my journey. And Mr. Pahuja met me when I was pursuing my law graduation. And since that day, we have very close relation, and he had been very helpful for me, and I had also been equally helpful for him. It's a mutual respect to each other, and I claim every time that I am very close to Mr. Pahuja. Sir, one more important thing is that I should disclose everybody that when Justice Chopra joined the profession, I was not even born. So we should give a big hand for Mr. Chopra. Sir, we have learned from you a lot. When you were being relieved from judiciary in the year 2005, I was there as a witness, and I really admire you, sir, for your judgments and everything. Before a few minutes, the anchor, she stated about Justice Yogesh Khanna. Sir had changed the law. Because of his all efforts in Nirvaya case, we all witnessed that the laws relating to sexual offences were changed. In the similar way, that change was equally important for us, and the definition of sexual assault was completely changed. Section 354 was changed, the definition of section 375 was changed, and all the credit goes to Justice Yogesh Khanna. So we should give a big hand for him. I experienced when I had few labor industrial matters when Justice Chandrasekhar was in the district court. So sir was very popular. He was having expert knowledge in industrial matters. Then we had been appearing before the Honorable High Court of Delhi also. Sir had contributed a lot to the society. So Justice Chandrasekhar warrants a big applaud from you all. Now I am coming to Justice Rajneesh Bhatnagar. Like me, Justice Bhatnagar will also confess that he had been very close to Mr. Ravinder Pahuja, because he is also resident of the same jurisdiction, sir. In the same constituency, Justice Bhatnagar had been since his childhood. So we had been admiring his evolution, his progress, the way he started career. Even our chamber in Tisjari was also very close. And sir then joined judiciary, then elevated to High Court. So we all are very happy and we are feeling obliged to eminent jurist here. Pahuja ji, credit goes to you that you have invited today such eminent persons who have contributed a lot in the society. And whenever the law was required to be changed, these personalities, they have changed the law by way of the judgments. So I'm really happy to see the presence of the honorable guests. I should disclose about my chairman, Sri Surya Prakash Khatri. We studied together. He was my senior in Campus Law Center. And I got equally attached to him. I had been admiring him. He's like my elder brother. Even in Bar Council, we agree to every issue, and it is a popular in Bar Council that Murari always follows Surya Prakash Khatri. The reason is that he is a very positive person. Even today, he is worried about Monday's strike, about the change of the law. He was talking that we should take appointment with the law minister and we will discuss it, and whatever the irregularities are there in the law, it will be changed. So it is a very serious concern, sir. Mr. Surya Prakash Khatri, he had been chairman for third or fourth time in Bar Council of Delhi, and he always contribute to the bar. I am really thankful to everybody. Our honorable district judges are also here, Ramesh ji and PK Jain ji. I am really thankful to you. I am here like a host. I am not in the capacity of a guest. As I told you, as I disclosed my history and the background, sir, I have not disposed of my properties which were here. Those houses are still here, and my board is also there. So I always convey the people that I started my journey from here only. And sir, I would like to share one story. One of my friend visited Tutis Jar in my chamber, and he asked my associates that where is Murari Tiwari. So they said that sir doesn't come here, he is in Defense Colony now. So sir, he messaged me, Murari, congratulations for your journey from Nehru Bihar to Defense Colony. So it is a matter of hard work, sir. In case we work hard, the God is very kind. He give us everything. And the love and affection which I receive from the members of the bar or bench, I'm really thankful to them. And thanks to Ravinder Pahuja ji and your team. They worked hard. We are little tense, we are more tense about the change of the numbers, because we are more apprehensive that a law student who will come to bar, he will be in a more comfortable position to tell the exact sections, but we will start looking for the section which is the change section. So that is there. But anyway, we will learn by your bare acts. Thank you very much for contributing to our profession. Thank you very much.